Hey budgeting friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am an Australian cash stuffer and I follow the zero-based budget method. And if you are returning, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, to help with the zero-based budget, I am doing a cash envelope stuffing, which is utilizing these binders with envelopes in them and cash stuffing them, and that helps with the zero-based budget method. If you're interested, stick around, but let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so just a disclaimer, there will be a little bit of background noise happening. If you do hear something, just ignore it because there's other people doing things around the house. So yeah, so let's get stuffing with my wallet. Now this will be a bit different in a sense of how much I am stuffing in my wallet because of the upcoming holiday that I am going to embark on, which means that we don't really want to have a big food shop. So in this week we will be adding only $50 to food shop due to the fact that we don't want to have leftover food in the fridge sitting there for quite a while and wasting it. Fuel as well, we don't want too much in fuel, so we're just adding $50 for now. And if we have leftovers, that's fine, but there's not a need to fuel up that much. And so is takeout. It does takeout is a little bit different, we do want to stick with our own a little bit of the budget, so we're adding $50 still, and this is to just help those days where we don't want to cook and stuff. So yeah, and that is done for my wallet. Okay, so on to my short-term binder, and starting off with birthdays, we will be adding $40, 20, 40 into the envelope. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And we did take a little bit of money out because it was my sister's birthday a couple of days ago. So we are now restuffing that and getting it ready for the next birthday, which is really good. We're on track with this. Onto family time. It's not gonna get anything, nor is dates. Events is not getting anything. Health isn't getting anything. But Luna, our four-legged friend, she will be getting $10. So now Luna has 10, 15, 25. And I've done the trackers off screen. So now we're just adding that back into the envelopes. Oh my goodness. Hang on, let me just stuff my household and I'll tell you guys what I have been up to. I have been in a rabbit hole. So household will be getting $10, and now household has 20, 30, 40, 55. So lately I've just been seeing a lot of NFT stuff happening. Just trying to understand what it's all about and stuff. And it's crazy how crypto was the thing last year or the year after, and now it's literally NFTs, and it's crazy how much people are making so much money from it. But at the same time, when you look at things, when you really like understand them, they're honestly just like an imaging, you know, like you're selling like a blockchain, I would say, with an image on it. And then pretty much, let me hang on. House insurance is getting 20 like usual. So house insurance now has 20, 40, 60. Yeah, so it's like a blockchain, but pretty much, I don't know, like a picture in front of that blockchain. I'm not too sure, but I was in a rabbit hole. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a little inkling or understanding of what NFTs are, if you've been in that rabbit hole of maybe wanting to invest in NFTs. I personally, I said that to my partner, like, oh, you know, maybe we should, you know, look at investing in NFTs. Meat Shop is getting 20. Oh my goodness. So I will be using this money after my holidays, so I can kind of show you guys what a meat budget slash like normal perishable items budget looks like separated. So Meat Shop has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, so $140. Yeah, so it's crazy how, like, you know, pictures of a monkey, but then at the same time, right, people are pretty much rebuttaling the whole NFT blockchain with, oh, well, you can just copy that picture. What makes it, you know, what makes you own that particular picture? Which then kind of just doesn't help with my skepticism around NFTs. You know, it's just so interesting and fascinating, this world. So yeah, anyway, short term is done. Okay, so we're on to our long-term binder, and we will be stuffing Christmas again, which I'm so happy about. So Christmas, we'll be getting $10, and Christmas now has 10, 20, 30, which is amazing. So let's just put that there. Grandmama, this time we'll be getting $10. So Grandmama now has 50, 65. Which I am so happy about. And then on to Jim. Jim will be getting $20. So Jim now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 70, 90, 710, 25. So 725 for Jim, which is amazing because we are closer to that goal. Tires won't be getting anything. PO Box won't be getting anything. Holidays, now holidays will be getting 650, so 100 is there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 50. We'll just do that instead. So 650, which is a massive amount to put. But remember, guys, if you are new, I did save a lot of my bill budget last time. So some of all the bill money that is meant to be every fortnightly or every weekly, you know, comes into this amount. So that's why I'm able to save this kind of money, because I pretty much set myself up last year with my bills. So now in holidays we have 2,000, and this represents what's in the bank already. So 2,000. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 2,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 53,000. Oopsies. Quickly get that. Okay. 3,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 54,000. I can't hold it any longer, so I'm going to just put that there. So 4,000 in cash now. And then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 55, 60. So we have $6,760, which is not bad at all for our holiday. And we are traveling, for those who want to know, we are traveling to Melbourne. We do have family there, but this money just gives us that, you know, that little extra room to wiggle on if we do want to spend for food and luxury, you know, spending and stuff like that. But this envelope, I'm not going to lie, it is pretty quite thick right now, but damn, it can hold a lot of money. I'm not joking. This is like amazing. This makes me really happy because it means that I've done the dimension like correct for this particular laminated envelope to hold a lot of money and not be, you know, popping at the seams. So anyway, we are done stuffing my long-term binder, and from the sides, look at that. Just cash, but I definitely want to take this out soon. So we are done stuffing our long-term binder. Okay, so on to my Bubba's binder, and his birthday is coming up. So we have booked a venue out, which I did pay a little bit of deposit. I put a deposit onto that particular venue and day. So now we're really going to be sticking on and stuffing this binder. So we're adding 150 to this envelope. So now he has 1, 2, 3, 54, 55. So $500 into this his birthday party, and he hasn't celebrated his birthday party. I only did one for his first birthday, which isn't the same as celebrating it as a, you know, a much more older and wiser kid. So I am super excited, and I can't imagine, like, this is amazing to be saving $500 plus deposit money into your kid's birthday party. Like, you know, like it's just amazing. Like, I'm able to be in this position to give my son that experience. So I am so happy that I stuck on last year with stuffing his birthday, and now he is reaping those rewards. So I am very happy. And we are done stuffing for week 3. Thank you so much if you have ended. If you have stayed give me a green laugh heart emoji. I really love the color green. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.